First, kudos to them for being very clear on it is, what it does, and what one needs to do to enjoy the experience. Everything was well explained and straightforward. I did experience so small hiccups along the way, like not being able to see what the narrator was referring to, but overall it was a great experience. Especially seeing other people that didn't get a guide and were walking in all directions, I felt in control. The information given was also very detailed and interesting. I enjoyed how it provided me with stories while walking. The self-guided tour enabled me to spend more time at Ek Balam. You can fully immerse yourself in Mayan history, discover majestic pyramids, and uncover fascinating tales at your own leisure. Allow the audio guide to transport you to a time of mystery. Highly recommend. The tour was excellently made, easy to follow, captivating and informative. All that you can ask of an audio tour. Great value for the price.